After you have solved a mathematics problem, do you stop? Is that all? What if there is a mistake? Do you check? Do you know how to check? Let's solve this problem first. Then we check. There was a total of 21,400 cm³ of water in rectangular tanks X and Y at first. That's the total. All this plus all this. The height of the water level in tank Y was 5 cm above that of tank X. So if the height of tank X is h, this will be h plus 5. Find the height of the water level in tank X. In other words, what is h? First, we find all the extra water above h. So it's 5 times 30 times 20, 3,000. Subtract it away from the total and we get this. Once they are of the same height, we can combine the two tanks as if it's one big tank with a total base area. (20 times 10 plus 30 times 20). So when we divide the volume by this base area, we will get the height. 23 cm. Part B. N poured 3,300 cm³ of water out of tank Y. Tank Y was then half filled with water. What was the height of tank Y? This side. First, we need to know the total amount of water in Y. We know the height is h plus 5. So 28 times the base area gives us the volume of water in tank Y. She poured out 3,300 cm³. So subtract it and we get 13,500. And this is tank Y half filled. Capacity of tank Y will be this times 2, 27,000. We want to know the height of tank Y. We know the capacity, we know the base area, divide them, and we have our answer, 45 cm. Check. The strategy of checking is to use the answer and work towards a target in the question. I've chosen this to be the target. Total amount of water at first. So 20 times 10 times 23. We found that H is 23, the answer. That's the amount of water in X. What about Y? The height is 5 cm more than H, so it's 28. Work it out and we get our target. For the second answer, the target is amount of water poured out. First, we need the volume of water in Y at first. 28, 30, 20. Then we minus the final amount of water in Y when it's half filled. Half filled means the height will be 45 divided by 2. And once again times 30 times 20. And we get 3,300, our target. So this confirms that our answers are correct. So when we check, we don't have to redo the whole question again. We can do something different. Take the answer, work towards the target. Active checking.